Hey guys, Kirby Smith, Lightspeed Construction, coming to you today from Asheville, North Carolina, 2880663, West Asheville. What's up? So I've got a roof leak. It's coming in this particular area, and really what we've got some sleeper boards that have kind of been coated or had some stuff go around. Water could be getting in, sitting in the sleeper board, finding a way in, leaking through the sleeper boards, right? We've got cracks in membrane that's sort of been coated. We've got membrane coatings pulling up. We got a little bit of ponding water right here, right? And I know my owner's interested in a repair, which is fine, but you got to understand that a repair is certainly not going to be long-term here. It may or may not work a year. The repair would look something like putting high quality coating down, and I'm told there's some segmenting issues between owners on this property. So basically to the edge of that sleeper board on the HVAC system to about this ductwork right here, all the way to the edge of the roof, and probably covering this portion of the chimney right here, right? Go ahead and coat this too. Now this chimney's in extremely poor shape. This is not very much a likely cause of leak, but this is very likely to leak. You can see for obvious reasons why that would be the case. If owners can put their heads together on this property, this might be a good thing to talk about removing completely and taking off this roof, because I don't know that it's serving a viable purpose right now, and just putting membrane over the top here. So we'd be talking about to service and repair this roof, putting coating all the way to this iron ductwork right here, and about halfway down the middle of this old roof. Now it's also been mentioned to have a membrane laid over the top of all of this. It will not be a perfect roof, but it will be an inexpensive roof that will last for a nice long time. It'll look similar to this. We'll bring it over to the edge of this roof and tape it off. We won't use the blackjack to kind of hold it down. We'll go up the walls, have all new membrane at the walls, and coat all the existing metal around. So basically we will refurbish everything. We'll put a 10-year warranty, says that it doesn't leak, and have a brand new membrane over here that'll last a nice long time. And as you can see, that would be our suggested solution, especially when you compare the prices for repair versus replace. Guys, my name's Kirby Smith. I'm with Lightspeed Construction. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Asheville, call us if we can help with your next commercial roofing project. See you guys.